Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavens on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Chippa 0. I'm joined by friend Mapradeka Mabanu Puma Gupi.
Deben mfethu umthinayo nkosinathi mfethu
Nkosinathi game ibone kanjani?
It was good.
Good game.
But say Chiefs mfethu isizile thina siyabanye.
Yeah, insizile Chiefs.
Yeah, isizile.
Ngani njami?
Iyaluza kuyimanje. Idrop la ku Chiefs manje.
It's a loss.
It's a loss.
Yeah, balahla ama points.
Balahla ama points. Nasi ngala on the other side see Sundowns.
Yeah.
We are losing because we are drawing.
Oh.
Bas ke ayiyabheda baba.
Ibethiwe khan. Kaizer Chiefs ngadlalele ne Sundowns Kaizer Chiefs kan. Indoni bidlalana no Kaizer Chiefs I mean ne
cheaper.
Oh ne cheaper Kaizer Chiefs.
Sundowns ngiyaphi?
Nil bra nil not score.
1-1 ngapha, 0-0 ngapha. It's a loss.
It's a loss, my friend.
Nil
Khona wonke umuntu oyazi ibhola it's a loss.
Yeah.
But I'm happy for Umbokazi.
TLP.
I think Vesu is good ukuthi agrow Vesu.
Yeah.
But it's a happy thing ukuthi naso uzosiza Vesu. Please win the league. Okay.
Danke.
Okay.
Niphi man of the match njayami?
Man of the match, I think number 17
Or Chiefs.
yes, lo Chiefs ngimkhohlwe igama lakhe.
Loy.
But I think lo amjida ya
Man of the match.
uzamile mfethu. I think usho
Scan and QR code winner 25 rand.